What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. Today we're going to be doing a chameleon pour with, I apologize for my finger, one of the kittens grabbed me. Violet, there's a cerulean blue and a metallic titanium white. And then we're just going to layer them in the cup and then go through and create our chameleon cells. So I'm going to let it pour down the side of the cup to slow it from mixing with all the other colors. I want to have really cool layers that show very well. How's everybody doing this wonderful day? I hope everybody's doing great. So happy to be painting here again. Now that the kittens haven't taken over my art space, I can paint now. Because we work for Cactus Cats Rescue. So we almost always have some form of a foster in the house. And right now it's 5 orangey babies and their buff mama. And it's crazy because I guess that female orangies are super rare. And 4 of the 5 that we have are girls, which is awesome. And they're all so cute. They all talk, and it's really cool. So we're just finishing up the last few of these layers. There's the light. It's right in front of my face the whole time. Alright, let's top it off. And then the last bit of this cerulean blue. It's all in the bottom of the cup, so a lot of it you're not going to really, it'll be covered under a bunch of other layers. Alright, so let's get our flip going. Man, that's so pretty. Oh man, oh man. All right, let's flip her over. I did introduce a whole lot of bubbles, which that's okay. There's no silicone in that, so the bubbles will pop and look like cells, but they are not. Rid of some of them. And now that it's flowed out of the cup, I mean, I really like these lines. Those happen almost every time. It's just where the cup is traveling. But I like what's happening right there. So I'm going to try to center that, or at least stretch it in one direction so that hopefully we don't lose it. Because there's a lot of layers in that. All right, so let's get our spin going. Nice. Oh man, perfect, awesome. So the center portion is kind of here now, but it's still there on the canvas, which that's the win that we were looking for. And then I just have a little oil in my cup, and then my dotting tool. You can use a toothpick, you can use anything. Really. You don't have to have any specific tools or dotting stuff or any of that. A lot of you guys have asked me when I do chameleon cells if I could like write a name or like maybe make an animal shape. And I have tried that before. I've tried making like a butterfly out of it. But it never actually works. Because then these cells, they just continue to grow, so everything you made kind of blends into each other. Oh man, look at them cells. think I'm gonna just keep the chameleons to this little section here. Because some of the layers that are in here are so pretty, so awesome. I love doing this. It's so much fun. Oh, and a lot of the times, a lot of my comments when I do chameleon cells, everybody, well, not everybody, but a lot of people have a difficult time. If you are having a hard time with the chameleon cells and you're looking for help, I'd ask you just in the comment when you tell me that you're having issues doing it, tell me what kind of paint you're using, what kind of pouring medium you're using, what like ratios you're using, so that I can help you troubleshoot it better. I mean, 9 times out of 10 it just comes to the paint is too thick, or it might be an issue with craft paints. They just don't sell up as well. But yeah, if you need help with it, or you're having problems and you just don't know what's going on, just if you're gonna leave the comment asking for the help, just give me the brand of paint you're using, what kind of pouring medium, and your ratios. And then I will be able to help you better. Because everybody should be able to do this for therapy, I think. There should be no barriers to entry besides the materials. If you can get something to paint on and some paint, it doesn't have to be a canvas. You could paint on document protectors. You can paint on anything that's flat. I like that. I really like that. That looks so nice. Really cool looking. I think I am gonna bring in maybe just a small little section over here. Yeah. See, if I didn't have that white, there's almost no contrast in this. Heck yeah, I like that. I love the little worlds that open up in each little cell because they're all different. Like there's nothing about any one of these cells that looks the same as another one. And I love that. But I'm gonna bring you guys down. Let's check this thing out. Yeah, I like this one. But as I get closer, you can see all the little tiny things going on in each one of these cells. Just differences in the layering of the colors. I always like to start with white on the bottom of the cup so that I get like, so I get all this like lacing, like the white lightning. And this little guy over here, he's gonna keep growing, but he won't grow to the point where he expands into those. But I'm happy about it. I like this one.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.